Good afternoon, everyone. We are at day 3 of the Smith job. Got the post set for the shade protection. Got the retaining wall going in. Extra paver base as always. Got our columns going in with our chase pipe for our fire bowls. Going to be a fire pit going in here. As you can see, got the retaining wall going in, and this is going to be a step down. We're going to step down into it. Very elegant, especially with these fire bowls going at night. So this is just a little overview of day 3. Look forward to finishing this one and starting the next one. This is a very, very special one here. Can't wait to get these nice oversized beams up. You guys are going to be impressed with this. You all have a blessed day.